KRONE is the specialist in round baling. No other manufacturer offers a more comprehensive program of balers and baler wrappers that give farmers the right machine for their specific needs. Baling in steep and small fields is often done in separate passes. To provide the suitable equipment for these systems, KRONE has added further models to its EasyWrap wrapper program. The new models are available as 3-point mounted and trailed machines, the latter running on its own axle. The EasyWrap 150 is the compact and user-friendly 3-point mounted version which shifts more weight to the tractor for great stability and safe rides in any terrain. The wrapping table is formed by two massive rollers, smooth and ribbed, which roll the bale effectively in any condition. It handles bales of 1 to 1.50 meters in diameter. You simply refit 2 pins to adjust the rollers to the current bale size. The pins control the position of the 2 rollers, which also serve as loading arms. This way, the film is always applied to the middle of the bale for optimum overlaps and uniform wraps. With a wrapping arm that orbits around the bale at 36 RPM, EasyWrap 150 is the fastest 3-point wrapper on the market. The number of film layers to be applied is set from the cab. The 750mm wide film offers a standard 55% or 70% pre-stretch, depending on requirements. Up to 4 spare film rolls can be stored on an optional holder which has integral lights and an external control. Thanks to its robust design, the machine also handles very heavy bales. It can be ordered with an extra roller at the bottom that absorbs some of the strain to which the tractor is exposed during the wrapping cycle. The narrow chassis offers operators excellent visibility of the work at hand. The movement of the dispenser arm is tracked by a position sensor, which, unlike time control, provides exact information of the actual position of the dispenser. This technology ensures perfect wraps and consistent overlaps on every tractor in your fleet and every hydraulic system. This is a unique and KRONE-only feature. At the end of the wrapping cycle, the film is fixed and smoothly cut in one sweeping operation, with the film end clinging to the bale. The other end of the film is trapped by a special mechanism and is ready for the next wrapping cycle. After wrapping is completed, the 2 rollers move apart, placing the bale gently to the ground. A Bale Turner is available as an option that deposits the bale on its face, so it cannot roll downhill. Also, the larger number of wraps on the face of the bale provide better protection from damage. The Bale Turner also serves as a detector as part of the auto load feature. As the roller makes contact with the bale, it is pushed towards the tractor. This in turn triggers the 2 rollers, bringing them together to pick up the bale. This way, it is possible to automate the entire wrapping cycle, from picking up the bale to depositing the finished bale on the ground. The machine is controlled from the user-friendly DS500 terminal, which is supplied as standard specification. It allows operators to watch the wrapping process on the screen and set the number of wraps and the bale size. From here, the wrapper does everything automatically. At film end or film break, the rollers instantly stop turning the bale and the wrapping arm moves to the left side for convenient refills or refits, a concept that leads to perfect overlaps even after a film break. Swapping film rolls is very easy. The film dispenser swings out, providing convenient accessibility for inserting and fixing the film. As an option, it can also be opened from an external control. This way, work is resumed in no time at all. The EasyWrap 165T is the trailed version. This is the machine for contractors and co-ops. Running on its separate axle, it is coupled to the lower links of the tractor. The drawbar can swing to the side hydraulically to move out of the way when a bale is picked up. As the bale makes contact with the sensor plate, it is automatically lifted and placed onto the wrapping table. The two wrapping arms wrap the bale in no time at all, orbiting around the bale at speeds of up to 40 RPM. The dispensers on the trailed model operate in the same way as those on the 3-point mounted model. The bale rolls in a deep cradle and is held in check by two bobbins. The table is formed by 4 high-tensile textile belts that roll the bale effectively. Bale sizes range from 1 metre to 1,65 m and are set on the screen. Like the EasyWrap 150, all the functions of the EasyWrap 165T can be operated from the terminal. At the same time, the ISOBUS compatible machine can be operated from any ISOBUS tractor terminal. When in auto mode, all functions are executed automatically, without the operator having to press a single button. The wrapping table moves to the rear to unload the bale. An optional mat protects the bale as it is gently placed on the ground. You can also deposit the bale on the move and without halting the combination. The Bale Turner is an option for the trailed wrapper too, where it is also operated from the cab. The loading mechanism allows picking up and carrying a second bale. After arriving at the point where the bales are deposited, the finished bale is lowered onto the ground and the second bale is picked up and wrapped. The drawbar carries up to 10 spare rolls of film. At the end of the job, the operator moves the wrapper into transport position with a touch of a button. Both the 3-point mounted and the trailed machine have standard road lights for safe travel on public roads. KRONE bale wrappers are synonyms for greatest operator comfort and productivity. Thanks to their user-friendly design and useful automatic functions, they offer maximum operator comfort, so that also uninitiated operators will quickly achieve maximum productivity. KRONE EasyWrap, the new wrappers that meet the highest demands, naturally from KRONE, the round baler specialist.